Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Sam Speaks. Today I'm here to demonstrate one evening look. The first product that I'll be using is a Colorbar Hydra or Water Bomb. This basically has anti-aging properties along with hydration benefits, so which is very much essential for our winter makeup look because our skin tends to dry up. I apply this evenly on my face. I'll be following this with sugar, highlighter cum primer. This will help to make a good base for my makeup because this has tiny glitter particles. Along with that, it will also moisturize my skin. After applying this evenly, I will be applying the foundation, Lakme 925 Primer plus Foundation. After uniformly applying the foundation all over my face, I'll be using the Loreal Infallible Concealer. This is a high coverage concealer which will help to cover the dark spots and brighten my under eyes and the dark circle regions. To set the concealer, I'll be using the Fit Me Loose powder. I will be applying that with my sponge. Application of the loose powder is essential to set the concealer, or else it will tend to mess up my makeup. I will be doing my eyebrows and the eye makeup, which I'll be doing off camera. My eyes and my eyebrows are now done, as you can see. Now for my lower lashes, I'll be applying the Rimmel Mascara. The link for every product will be provided in the description box below. Now I'll be proceeding with the blush. I'll be using the Lakme 925 blush. It will give me a flush of corally pink color, the color that I've chosen. So I'll be applying that with my brush on both the cheeks. After application of the blush evenly on both the cheeks, I'll be proceeding with the bronzer. For my bronzer, I'll be using the L'Oreal bronzer. For my highlighter, I'll be using the Kaybeauty highlighter in the shade Rosy Dew for my highest point of my cheeks. I will be applying that with a pan brush. The shade, as you can see, is pinkish silver. That will help me to give that perfect glow for the evening look. I'll be applying a bit of it on my chin area as well. Now I will be applying another shade of the highlighter from Kaybeauty. This will be the shade Frosted Eyes. I will be applying that on my nose and on the lower point of my eyebrow. Applying it in the nose will help to give it that sharp look on the nose, and applying it on the lower regions of the eyebrows will help to highlight my brow area. Now the final product that is left for application is my lipstick. I'll be applying the MAC Retro Matte Liquid Lipstick. After applying the liquid lipstick, I will be setting my entire makeup with the help of the Kaybeauty Loose Powder. Now I'll be setting my entire makeup with the help of Colorbar Makeup Fixer. Spray it uniformly on your face and on your neck regions. Ta-da! This is a final makeup look. Hope you all enjoyed doing the makeup with me. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel.